trends that have been concurrent are the democracies weakening and losing their confidence in many ways. At the same time, very powerful illiberal forces have been gaining the momentum. I think if we don't find a way in the democracies to strengthen our spine and refresh our own values and standards, we're in for a very rough ride.
The region between Mobile, Alabama and Galveston, Texas contains the largest concentration of U.S. ports and thousands of miles of pipelines and onshore infrastructure like tank batteries and processing plants that receive and transport 2/3 of the United States oil imports and more than 90% of our outer continental shelf oil and gas. These facilities, plus 17,000 miles of highways and 61 airports, are all vulnerable in some way to climate change that is anticipated during the next 50 to 100 years.
Placement of people is going to continue to be a very vicious cycle. With lots of suffering. We need to get into a position now where we can turn this into a virtuous cycle.
One is the widespread mistrust of media like you and me, and deep political polarization. But then you also have to combine it with the way social media works and the social media strategy for amplifying and spreading the worst content. And with all of that, it's just a recipe for virality and stickiness.